What happened in the past few hours was very curious and bizarre. Now, there was a statue, Chhatrapati Shivaji statue, a renowned figure, historical figure, much respected, not just in Maharashtra, but across the country. That statue was recently also inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We are told that few hours ago, the statue collapsed. This happened in Sindhudurg, and this has led to a lot of outrage and questions. Remember, this is the statue of the Maratha Empire founder, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and is at a fort. Now, what happened is that the opposition is training guns at the state government. Sindhudurg police have registered FIR against contractor and structural consultant. The emotions are running high because of the kind of sentiments involved with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. 35-foot high statue of Shivaji collapsed, and the district this was when witnessing rainfall for the past 3 days. So there was incessant downpour and there were strong winds. So it appears that the government is saying it's because of that the statue fell. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is blaming strong winds for the collapse of the statue. But soon after that, UBT Sena MLA Vaibhav Nayak condemned poor quality of construction and called for a thorough investigation. Nayak and supporters, reportedly, as we can see from these visuals, appear to be even vandalizing a local PWD office in Malwan town to protest about the statue's collapse because it may be in the jurisdiction of the PWD right now. But the Indian Navy has also expressed concern regarding the collapse. It has deputed a team to analyze the cause and initiate repair works. But the opposition is targeting Mahayuti coalition government, saying clearly it was poor quality used to build the statue of such a renowned figure.
सिंधुदुर्ग जिले में छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का जो स्टैचू खड़ा किया था तो उसका कामकाज और उसमें बहुत बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार हुआ था, इसलिए वो स्टैचू जो छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज हमारे अस्मिता है उनका वो स्टैचू आज गिर गया। इसके जो दोषी है उनके ऊपर कड़क कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, ऐसा हमारा जो शिव प्रेमी है महाराष्ट्र के उनके तरफ से निवेदन है और जल्द कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
राजनीति तो किसी को भी करने का हक छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के बारे में नहीं है, ना तो नेवी के बारे में है। ये दोनों अबव एवरीथिंग है, क्योंकि ये शूर जवान है जो हमारी रक्षा करते हैं। और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज पहले ऐसे राजा थे जिन्होंने स्वराज की स्थापना की, पहले नेवल किंग थी, जिनको खुद की जो नौकाएं थी वो विजयदुर्ग में बनती थी और विजयदुर्ग नेवल हेडक्वार्टर था छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का। ये पहला सी फोर्ट है जो खुद छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने बनाया। तो हर किसी को अभिमान होना चाहिए, ना कि इसमें राजनीति होनी चाहिए।
6 महिन्यापूर्वी मला वाटतं तो पुतळा पडला, तो आत्ताच डिसेंबर मधला म्हणजे त्यावेळी पण आपण पाहिलं असेल निवडणुकीच्या तोंडावर घाईघाईत काहीतरी करायचं म्हणून केला होता। हे कुठच्या खात्याने हा पुतळा बनवला होता, कोण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर होता, एवढ्या घाईघाईत काही निवडणुकीच्या आधी काम करणं गरजेचं होतं का, कसं केलं ते काम, खर्च कोणी केला, ह्याच्यावर सगळ्याची आता चौकशी व्हायला पाहिजे।
महाराज के स्वराज्य का मूल मेहमान थे और ये इस पुतले की उभारणी करते वक्त, खड़ा करते वक्त, अगर ये पुतले में खड़ा करने वाले कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने अगर ये काम में चोरी की होगी, कमीशन खोरी की होगी, दलाली खाई होगी, अब ये छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के पुतले में भी ये सरकार कमीशन खाएगी। कौन है ये ठाणे का कॉन्ट्रैक्टर जिसके पास में करोड़ों के काम है? उसके ऊपर तुरंत FIR करो, अगर तुम ईमानदार हो तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करो, उसको ब्लैक लिस्टेड करो और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का पुतला पूरे फिर से उनके तरफ से ही पैसा वसूल करके खड़ा करने का काम करो।
Now remember that it isn't just about the statue, which is also about the renowned figure, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, but it was also about the manner in which the statue was placed and inaugurated. It was on the Navy Day, December 4th, last year. Prime Minister Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, big figures from the Navy, from the Army, there were representative of the armed forces, senior officers who were present at that time, and then within and less than a year, the statue collapses. So many are questioning, is it really that easy that there's going to be a rainfall and some strong winds and a statue, at least of this stature, can collapse? And how? Listen in. Vidya continues to be with us on this as she's been tracking since morning all the latest. Vidya, tell us about what does it look like, because this is as much about the government, the armed forces, the fact that Prime Minister had inaugurated it, so it gives it that high profile as well. What happened on the details you are picking up? And what happens here on? Are they able to find a cause? Will they be able to repair it?
Of course, the statue will have to be put back in its place because it was inaugurated just 9 months ago, and whatever repair work is required, that will be done. But certainly, an investigation also as to why this really happened, how it happened, will have to be done, and which is the reason why the Maharashtra government and the Navy has both, the defense forces as well as the Maharashtra government, has said that there will be an investigation. A committee has already been is being formed to look into this entire investigation. Remember, according to what people, there are reports which say that apparently the Maharashtra government, the PWD department, had already conveyed to the Navy that there was rust that was happening in this steel statue. And that's the reason that was a concern for Maharashtra government that was expressed. However, nothing really was done. So, to look into all these, communications, whether it was conveyed to the Navy or not, whether, the company took any recourse to repairing it to make sure that the statue is repaired. I mean, all this will have to really be looked into, along with the fact that it will have to be repaired immediately and put back in place.